How to season your brand new Deep South smoker. For this, you're going to need at least 2 cans of all-purpose cooking spray, such as Pam, a bucket of water, an old rag, and your charcoal. When you get your brand new smoker, you may notice that the inside of the chamber and all of the racks are still bare steel. Because of this, you're going to maybe see some surface rust, which is perfectly normal and nothing to worry about. You'll also probably see some leftover metal shavings as well as dust and other little undesirables. Grab your bucket of water and your rag and begin to wipe down all of the racks in between the bars, top and bottom. Once you're done wiping off all of your racks, top and bottom, go back inside the chamber and make sure you get the top of the chamber, the bottom of the chamber, including in between the bottom and your heat distribution, the walls, including all of the rack runners, and then wipe down your door. Every surface should be as dust-free as you can possibly get it. Now that your smoker is free from dust and debris, it's time to spray the inside of the chamber with cooking spray. You want to make sure to coat the top, the bottom, the sides of the chambers, as well as all of the rack runners and in between with cooking spray. Once you get down towards the bottom, make sure you also do your heat distribution as well. Once you coat the inside of your smoker without the racks in, it's time to go ahead and put the racks back in and spray them as well. The way I like to do this is insert one of the racks upside down, grab my spray, and coat the back side of it. Once it's done, flip it over and put it into its position and spray the top. Go ahead and continue that for the rest of your racks. When you move on to the door of your smoker, it's important to keep the oil off of your seal. In this smoker, I have an upgraded seal, which allows me to wipe it off with my damp cloth. However, if your smoker came with the white seal, that is more of a cloth, you might need to put your oil onto a paper towel and just spread it around that way. This will allow you more control, keeping it off of your seal. After your cooker is all sprayed down and oiled, it's time to go ahead and get that guru set. We like to place our pit probe at the second from the bottom rack, right in the middle. Now it's time to light your smoker. For this video, I used a charcoal chimney with hot coals dumped down the charcoal chute. After that, I simply filled up the rest of the chute with fresh hardwood lump charcoal. Leave that chute door open and set your cooker to 350 degrees. If you haven't already, make sure that your damper is open. And with the charcoal good and hot, go ahead and close your chute door. Let your smoker run at 350 for a few hours, and you are set.